In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Carrom full app notifications. If you are receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and find your app, and we can use this app to access its info page. To do that, just go ahead and long press and go ahead and tap on app info. If you don't see the app info option, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it to take you to app information page. You can still access app info page for Carrom full app through settings. Here, go to permissions section, and under permissions, look for notifications. And as you can see, all these types of notifications, among them play sound, lock screen, floating badge notifications, as well as vibration and permanent notifications are on. Now, to turn them off all at once, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and you can see now they are all off. At this point, you will never again receive those alerts or notifications from this full game app unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can do it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.